So in this video, we will learn how to select, cut, copy and paste array cells. Follow these steps to define the cells for selecting using the array index. Add an array shell to the front panel. Add a numeric control into the array shell. Resize the array so that it contains 4 rows and 4 columns. Add a value in the 4 cell to initialize the array. Right-click the array and select Advanced. Then select Show Selection from the shortcut menu. Enabling this option shows selected cells if any exist. Right-click the border of the array shell and select Add Element Gap. From the shortcut menu to separate the cells by a thin open space. Although it is not necessary to add the element gap, this open border makes it easier to select cells. When we select cells, a thick border to denote the cells we selected fills this open space. Set the array index display to 1, 1. Right-click the index display and select Advanced, and then Start Selection from the shortcut menu. Set the array index display to 3, 3. Right-click the index display and select Advanced, and then End Selection. From the shortcut menu. The selection includes the cells denoted by the lower index number but not the cells denoted by the higher index numbers. The previous two steps select the cells from 1, 1 to 2, 2. If we want to include cells from 1, 1 to 3, 3, set the array index to 4, 4. Right-click the index display and select Advanced End Selection from the shortcut menu. Note: cutting the selected cells removes the entire set of rows and columns spanned by the selection but places only the selected cells into the clipboard. We lose the information contained in the rows and columns surrounding the selection. Right-click and select Data Operations. Cut data from the shortcut menu to cut data, or Data Operations, copy data to copy the data. So let's create a new array. But first let's modify the cells so that they can be differentiated. And let's copy it again. So then right click the array shell border and select data operation. Paste data from the shortcut menu to paste data. Here is the pasted data. After we have pasted the selection, notice that one border remains highlighted around the pasted data. This is an insertion point and remains in the array. To hide this line, right click the array and select advanced. And show selection from the shortcut menu to remove the check mark from this menu item if it is already there. So to place this copy data at a particular place, we have to make a selection in the receiving array, otherwise it will place it at the 0, 0 index. So let's make a selection. Let's undo the change. Let's make a selection first. So let's place the data over here someplace. So let's start the selection. Select the ending position and then end the selection. And then paste data. The data is be pasted here. So if we want to unmark the selection, right click, advanced, and then show selection. The selection is removed. When in run mode, we can access these menu items when we right click an array. Note, we cannot reinitialize, cut, or paste data of an indicator in run mode. Reinitialize to default value, cut data, or paste data. Shortcut options are available only for controls in run mode. To unmark these cells for selection, set the index display to 0 in all dimensions. Right click the index display and select advanced. Start selection from the shortcut menu. Right click the index display again and select advanced. End selection from the shortcut menu, and the selection disappears.